What if you could create professional-looking viral videos in just a few minutes, without filming yourself, hiring an editor, or spending hours learning complicated software? Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what ViralRevenueAI claims to do. But is it actually worth your money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? In this video, I'll show you what ViralRevenueAI is, its best features, the pros and cons, and whether it's the right choice for you. So make sure you watch until the end. What is ViralRevenueAI? ViralRevenueAI is an AI-powered video creation platform designed to help anyone create engaging short-form videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook. Instead of spending hours editing videos manually, you simply enter a prompt or idea, and the AI helps generate video content that you can customize and publish. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, freelancer, agency owner, or complete beginner, the goal is to make video creation faster and much easier. Key features: here are some of the standout features. First, it comes with an AI prompt enhancer that transforms simple ideas into more detailed prompts for better video generation. Next is AI video generation. Just type your idea, and the platform creates a video in minutes, helping you save a lot of time. You also get a built-in video editor where you can add text, change music, customize scenes, and adjust videos for different social media platforms. Another interesting feature is the Cashflow Hub, which is designed to help affiliate marketers discover products they can potentially promote through their videos. All of these features are combined into one dashboard, making the entire workflow much simpler. WHO should use it? So, who is ViralRevenueAI best for? If you're an affiliate marketer creating review videos, a YouTuber looking to publish more shorts, a freelancer offering video services, a small business owner promoting products, or someone who wants to grow on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook, then this platform could save you a significant amount of time. However, if you're a professional video editor who needs advanced editing features, you may still prefer dedicated editing software. Pros and cons. Let's quickly look at the pros. It has a beginner-friendly interface. It helps speed up video creation. It combines AI generation and editing in one place. And it supports multiple social media platforms. Now for the cons. Like any AI tool, the final output may still benefit from your own editing and creativity. Also, advanced features and usage limits may depend on the plan you choose. And remember, no software can guarantee viral videos or income. Success still depends on your content quality, audience, and consistency. Overall, ViralRevenueAI looks like a useful tool for creators who want to produce more short-form content without spending hours editing videos. If your goal is to save time, create engaging AI videos, and simplify your content workflow, it's definitely worth checking out. If you want to learn more, see the latest pricing, available bonuses, and all the details, click the first link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more AI software reviews and online money-making tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!